Hey yo, what you all know? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping in. But today we're out here working on the van. I kind of got a little issue. I go real slow and my van rattles. Well, I trace the noise down and it seems that it is these caps here. See how that rattles around? Well, these bolts are nice and tight, but there's still some movement. I believe I'm going to pull one of those off and measure it and come up with something on the 3D printer, see if we can quiet it down. Let's see what I can do. Well, first things first is we need to get one of these off and go get some measurements. We're going to go with the inner diameter is 28 3/4. So we're going to call that 3.4. Hello, Casper. How are you? 3.25. We're just going to go with 3 even.
Sitting in the front row, a fellow by the name of Jim Osterberg. Jim Osterberg is mesmerized. Jim Osterberg has already started a band, and he decides that he wants to kind of emulate what he saw that night throughout his career. Jim Osterberg has a group called the Stooges. Jim Osterberg changes his name from Jim Osterberg to Iggy Pop.
All right, I got a bunch of these printed up. Let's go ahead and put them on here and see if it works. So I always use these drills because I got more control. I can set this down to a lower number and I don't have to worry about it stripping out any of these threads. To take them off though, we're going to turn it up to 14 and just feather it until it works. So there's 4. I'll just go ahead and speed this up so you don't have to watch me struggle through trying to put these seals on. Now I'm going to tuck this down to about a 6 and just barely use it. Well, looky there. It's nice and tight. Well, let's do the rest of these. Well, that's 1 tire down, 3 more to go. That's how I fixed it. Having a 3D printer helped me. Hopefully you get one and it'll help you too. See you next time. Remember, smile while you still have teeth.